I open on a sweeping 4K drone shot, mist rolling over a German cityscape as the sun peels through the fog. The camera glides low, then climbs, revealing Spire's rooftops until the title blooms. My voice comes in, soft American accent, calm but excited, like I'm sharing a secret route with a close friend. This is aerial storytelling. Every cathedral gets 4K aerial views, intimate rooftop approaches, cinematic moments that make you want to book a flight right now. Over the next 8 minutes, we move quickly but meaningfully. 10 cathedrals, crisp visit windows, the best things to do once you arrive. Think vivid slices of place, tower climbs, organ concerts, market strolls, captured in clean cinematic frames. Stay with me. We'll count down from 10 to 1, each stop a quick, unforgettable segment. We kick things off at number 10 with the Cologne Cathedral, a Gothic giant that dominates the skyline. Visit time: April through October. Milder weather and festivals make these months perfect for wandering. Climb the South Tower for those city-spanning views. The ascent is narrow and worth every breath as the city unfolds beneath you. Don't miss the treasury. It hums with history and craftsmanship that reward the curious. After the cathedral, stroll the Rhine promenade, cafes, riverboats, and the rhythm of local life. This segment moves fast. Exterior aerials, tower climb cutaways, people shots, and close-ups of stone tracery. My voice keeps it intimate, like recommending the best table at a cafe. At 9, we fly in close to Ulm Minster, the spire so tall. The drone tilts up into the clouds for a dramatic reveal. Shot in crisp 4K plus aerials, the approach emphasizes that world record tower and the Gothic lacework that crowns the city. Best time: May through September. Clearer skies and longer days make the climb, and the photos sing. Things to do: scale the tallest church tower in the world. The stair rhythm becomes part of the story, as each panorama expands your perspective. Admire intricate Gothic details up close. They're best read from different angles, with slow push-ins and detail shots. Finish with a riverside stroll. Ulm's waterfront reflections are calm and cinematic. The segment balances awe and practical tips: when to go, how to beat the light, where to linger. Number 8 lands in Munich, with skyline aerials that place Frauenkirche at the heart of the city's silhouette. Our 4K camera sweeps over Marienplatz toward the Twin Towers, then settles on the brick warmth. Best time: May through September. Avoid Oktoberfest crowds unless that's your plan. Things to do: attend an organ concert. Let the music swell under those vaults. Close-ups of the pipes and faces absorbed. Walk to Marienplatz, then the Viktualienmarkt. Weave market sounds and color into interior light, slanting through high windows. A rooftop view pins Munich beneath the church. The voiceover nudges you toward hidden concerts and midday treasures. 7 is Speyer Cathedral, a Romanesque colossus spread across the Rhine Valley with a scale and quiet majesty you can almost feel. The view opens broad: river valley, cathedral, the low horizon, giving that sense of calm and sweep. Best time to visit is April through October, when the weather is pleasant and there's longer light inside. Step into the Romanesque interior, study weighty arches and carved capitals, wander the nave aisles to discover texture and story. Visit the imperial tombs, linger on carved effigies and plaques. Pair the cathedral with the nearby Technik Museum for medieval mechanical contrast, a place to slow down and listen to the stones. At 6, we find Aachen Cathedral, bathed in golden hour warmth that glazes the octagonal chapel and roof lines while the town hums below. The cathedral stands prominent within this spa town setting. Best time is April to June and September to October to dodge peak tourism and enjoy softer light. Things to do: see Charlemagne's throne and the chapel, linger on gilded mosaics and marble worn by power. Enjoy Aachen's cafes, take a slow coffee so the visit can settle. Walk the compact streets to feel the town's charm and know where to wander next. Quiet corners and a few timing hacks. 5 drops us over Regensburg, with the Danube and the UNESCO Old Town setting the scene as St. Peter's towers rise amid red roofs and river light. The river leads you past the medieval stone bridge to the cathedral's facades. Best time is May through September, when outdoor concerts and choir performances often fill the square. Attend a choir performance to feel the acoustics cradle you. Pay attention to the vaulted ribs and the interior's hush. Explore the stone bridge and labyrinthine alleys, cobblestones, shop signs, riverside cafes, and step into the local rhythm. Number 4 is Bamberg Cathedral, set on a hill in a UNESCO town that feels frozen in film grain. Except we're shooting in pristine 4K, our aerials pull back to reveal its island-like prominence, then push into the towers and cloisters. Best time? April through October, when the town is lively and beer gardens open. Things to do: view the emperor's tombs, framed with moody interiors and soft light. Wander cobbled streets past half-timbered facades, find riverside nooks, and sample Franconian beer. 3 lifts us into the Black Forest backdrop, Freiburg Minster's spire piercing a tapestry of green and red tile rooftops. 4K aerials swing through valleys and settle into tight frames of the red sandstone tower. Best time is May through September for the clearest views and Münsterplatz market life. Things to do: climb the tower for panoramic vistas, intercut summit breaths and sweeping landscapes. Explore texture-rich stalls, cheese and flowers, while the forested hills meet Gothic craft. Feel the cool air at the top. At 2, we hover over Nuremberg's medieval skyline, St. Lorenz Church anchoring the city, with soaring 4K approaches to rooflines and towers. Best time is May through September, or December if you crave the Christmas market ambiance. Things to do: admire stained glass, sculptures, and wood carving. Let long interior shots and light tell the story. Visit the castle for context. Weave the historic center's narrow streets between cathedral shots, with notes on timing, tickets, and photo angles. Number 1 is the Mainz Cathedral, revealed with a dramatic aerial approach over the Rhine in high-resolution 4K. The drone arcs from river to tower, exposing Romanesque facades. Best time is April through October. Enjoy riverside walks and include a stop at the Gutenberg Museum, paired with cathedral tours. Things to do: tour Romanesque interiors, study carved capitals and sculptural details, explore the crypt, see presses and the Gutenberg Bible exhibits. Catch the early morning light, time your visit to avoid crowds, then find a bench and watch the Rhine go by. We wrap with 10 cathedral crowns flashing across the screen, each one a breath, a roofline, a lingering tower. Different textures: Romanesque mass, Gothic lace, brick warmth, forest-backed spires. Which of these would you visit first? Let us know below. Subscribe for more aerial journeys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next flight. End on a slow pullback over the Rhine at dusk, the city lights coming alive while the drone climbs and the music fades.